the song that Olivier loves to play. That's buttons. That's how you can tell. This is not playback. You can hear the buttons. I received an email some months ago from someone who said, they said, I bought your CD, Elliot, and there's strange sounds on it. What are these sounds? I think it's a technical error. And I said, no. It's the sounds of my rings hitting my guitar. That's how you can tell it's real music. This is called Lost and Lonely, but we are never lost and lonely when we're in Spain, are we?
Thank you!
Después lo montamos, quizás lo despromete.
You say you're lost and you're lonely, but you're not the only one. You're feeling trapped inside this city when all you want is a place in the sun. I've been leaving here at midnight. You tell me what you wanna do.